Okay, so let's just say we have a finished part and we want to output this from AlphaCAM, and we want to output it as Gcode that we can plug into our CNC machine here and run. So one thing we're going to need to do is to select our PostProcessor. So that is basically a translator that translates your AlphaCAM program into code for a specific machine. So there's loads of different CNC machines out there. Each machine has a slightly different language. You can almost think of this as the Google Translate between AlphaCAM and your machine. So if you go to select processor, and we have Siemens 828XYZ Mini Mill Southern Regional College. So that's our machine. If you guys want to download this, it's in Teams. So on Teams, into your CNC folder. I think I'm in the wrong year here. Teams, CNC. Wrong year again, third time's the charm. CNC, you'll see I have a file and the XYZ million post processors in there. So you guys can download that for yourselves and click open. Okay, so now we can output our code. We see the current processor, post processor we're using, here is a Siemens 828. So that's the correct one, and we want to output this as a file, so select OK. And we need to save this somewhere first. Just be careful when we save this. Yeah, okay, so save it here first, and we'll see, okay, this is our XYZ, that's the name of the company that provides our machine. Program is, I'm going to call it part 74. 74, and programmer was Peter Fisher. And click OK. So now that's been saved, and we want to go and edit or have a look at it. So to open up that code, find AlphaCAM 2022 launcher. It takes a wee second to load because it has to find the license. Okay, skip to the end, and we have Alpha Edit. So we want to open this up, and then find your code and open it. And now you can see you have your code. So in total, it's taken us a lot of code to machine that part. And this code has some key details in it. So line by line, we can pick it apart. We can see here we've got MO6s, turning functions on. Now, one very important thing to note is where you have manually coded something, or you're going to manually input code into the machine, this is where an operational plan becomes extremely important. So you can see, working my way through here, I've got loads of different line numbers of code. This one's telling me the name. Line number 2 is telling me the draw number. Line number 3 is the date. Number 4 is program by. When I get down to line number 13, it tells me that it's a shell 63mm AFHSS, high strength steel, This TO1 means that the machine is going to use TO1 tool number 1 to complete this operation, regardless of what is in it. It's up to you as a CNC technician or CNC technical operator to make sure that you have got a 63mm shell end mill in tool number 1 before you run this program. Any other ones we can find?